One of the most common questions I get asked as a mortgage loan officer is, how much home can I afford making X amount per year? So today I'm gonna break down exactly how much home you can afford and what your monthly mortgage payments will look like based on the average income levels in America. So with that being said, let's dive in. So we broke the average American income into 3 levels: 35,000, 55,000, and 100,000. And for all scenarios, we're gonna assume $500 worth of debt, starting with $35,000 a year. All right, so we're going to be looking at a 30-year fixed FHA example, since that's the easiest to qualify for. 680 as far as a credit score, and they're all going to be the same interest rate at a 5.99 APR rate below. Starting with $35,000 as far as a salary, our max is going to be right at $150,000 purchase. 3.5% down. 3.5% down is going to put us right at $5,250 as far as down payment. And then I would estimate the closing cost to come in right around $7,000. So that means our total cash to close is going to be $12,250. Given our interest rate over here of 5.99, the total payment, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, is going to come out to $1,145 per month. And given this payment, you are qualified at this salary. Now we're going to jump to $55,000. So for $55,000, we're going to be at a max purchase price of $275, and doing the same FHA financing at 3.5% down is going to require $9,625 in down payment. And for the closing costs, I have this estimated just a tad higher at $8,000. So that means our total cash to close is going to be $17,625. And then our PITI in this example is going to bring us right at $2,098 a month. And this is qualified at that salary up to the max. Lastly, we have $100,000. And for $100,000, we are going to cap out right at $510,000 as far as a purchase price with that 3.5% down. So that means we need $17,850 as far as our down payment, and our closing costs I'm going to estimate right around $10,000, meaning we need $27,850 cash to close. And what is our monthly payment given this level? Our PITI comes right in at $38.91 per month. This amount qualified right up to the max at $100,000 salary. Now you know exactly how much you can afford given those 3 income levels. But here's the thing. You may be able to afford much more or much less based off of your specific situation. So if you want to know what you can afford, go ahead and click the link in the description to book a mortgage consultation with me, and I'll walk you through exactly how much you can afford.